this video, I will show you how to make this ATS-friendly resume for fresher with no job experience. Watch the full video and follow the instruction so that you can build your own resume professionally ATS-friendly way. By the way, if you don't know what is ATS-friendly resume, you can check our channel and this video and what is ATS-friendly resume. Now get back to the point. First, you need to open Microsoft Word. For that, right click, select New, select Microsoft Word document, name it, open Microsoft Word, go to Layout, select Margin, select Narrow this option here, go to Size, select A4 option. Now add your name, make it big and bold. For this, I select 24 font size in here and I select font calibri. Now do this and select all, select no space option here. It will increase the space or make it one page. You can obviously make it 2 page, depend on your experience level and skill set. Now if you are looking for this line I underline, you can click in here. Now you can question how I get this color. You can select any color from in here or you can select custom color like I did. You can go to more color, select standard and I choose this color. You can change the color according to your preference or you can select custom color in here. Okay, you can add contact information in here. You should add address, phone number, mail that aligned with your name and LinkedIn or any portfolio link you wanna add like website or GitHub or Dribble according to your industry standard. Now you can add summary, about or background, any section in here. Before I dive into this, I want to tell you very important things. Find some job description that align with your skill set like entry level, internship or associate. Then select all the job description in here like from this to this and you can use Gemini or Bard or ChatGPT to find the keyword, important keyword in here and the skill set. See, you can use Gemini for write your about section, about me or background. Then put some keyword and write your about section or background or summary. For fresher, you don't need to write summary section in here.
Then you can add education section in here too.
And within 2 lines, it covered all necessary information. I think for this font size is 16. Then you can add some important coursework related to job industry and this is very important section like skill set, strength, expertise and key proficiency. Depend on whatever word you like to choose. Check this example and here is some idea how you can write the skill section. I choose different kind of industry and I hope this will be helpful. Plus for academic you can add this section too. Like here are some example from different kind of job industry. Though you have no job experience, obviously you did some project in university or you can attend some project outside of your university. If you have publication or research related to job industry, you can add that too. Plus you can add some training that you done in university or professional institute or online or offline, depend on your circumstances. You can add some certification outside of your university degree or college degree or institution degree aligned with job description or job industry. You can add language or other things. You can other section like volunteer work, interest, hobbies. It's depend on the circumstances and your experience. You can add a box below of your resume because box and table are not ATS friendly. Try to skip that. To make it beautiful or colorful you can add that, otherwise I will suggest you to skip this. And how to add this box? Go to insert, go to shapes and you will find shapes in here. You can add that below of your part, don't add in top as you wanna make ATS friendly resume. You can add borderline or underline according to your preference and this is all of this resume. This video I will show you how to make this ATS friendly resume or fresh. This video I will show you how to make this ATS friendly resume or fresh and save it as or export it as a PDF before you wanna send someone.